What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and today we are going to be installing a Magnaflow Overland series exhaust on this 2.7 liter first edition Bronco. One of the great things about the Magnaflow Overland series exhaust is the multiple configurations that you can do with it. They have configuration 1 through 4. 1 is going to be your quietest setup. It's going to include attaching this U-pipe here to the muffler, and then using this called the NDT, which stands for No Drone Technology. You can slide that over the cap there, or the U-pipe rather. For a little bit louder, you can just take the pipe cap, go there. If you want it even louder, you can remove the U-pipe as a whole, put the NDT right there off of the exhaust, and for maximum volume, you can just take the pipe cap and put it right there on the muffler. In addition to a deeper sound, the Overland exhaust's slim, high-tug design will improve the departure angle and ground clearance, improving the off-road performance of your Bronco. All right, guys, that's gonna just about wrap this one up. If you guys liked the exhaust install here on the 2.7 liter Bronco, be sure to smash that like button. If you wanna see more content like this, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss out. And if you have any questions or any comments, be sure to let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.